RapidPipeline has essential tools for repairing and editing 3D meshes. Let's take a look. When you edit a 3D processor preset, you can enable the 3D Edit tab. The Model Edit section contains tools to rescale and center your models. The scaling factor is super helpful for correcting a model with an incorrect size. For example, when we import this radio, we can see in the preview window that it is actually smaller than a mouse. We can use the bounding box preview to see the dimensions. This looks like it has a CD player on top, and CDs are around 12 centimeters across, so the radio should be probably around 20 centimeters. To get this size, we can multiply the scale factor by 10 and visually check the size. This automatically applies to all future conversions of this asset. But what if we want to batch process a bunch of files? We can now use this value in a preset. Model Edit also has tools to change where the origin of a model should be located. Assets are often shown in a Web 3D viewer so the model can be rotated or tumbled. Then it makes sense to center the mesh at the world origin. That's what the center choice does. Some assets are meant to be placed on a wall, for example a wall clock or a picture frame. So then rear center is a good choice. Other assets should be placed on the ground or on a floor, so the origin of the mesh can be set to bottom center. Finally, top center is useful for ceiling mounted items, like this ceiling fan. RapidPipeline helps you set up an asset however you like. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.